This guide will advise you on how to utilise the Catalogues feature on the Probrand Procurement Platform. You can navigate to all areas of the platform from this homepage. In order to proceed with any orders or quotes, please make sure you are logged in. To access your catalogues, click Go to your catalogues under the Buy heading in the top right-hand corner. On this page, you will be able to see the catalogues which have been created for your organisation by your account manager, as well as any special bids that you have with manufacturers. If there are items that you typically purchase together, for example items that a new starter at your organisation will need, you can ask your account manager to group these together into a catalogue. This catalogue will be completely unique to you and the needs of your organisation. To save you going through the platform to find the same items every time, you can easily access them from your catalogues and add them directly to your basket. You can also access the price comparison table from your catalogues. Please see other guides for information about the price comparison feature on the Probrand Procurement Platform. You can also access any special bid pricing you may have from the Catalogue section of the platform. A special bid is an agreement with a manufacturer to provide you with supported pricing for a large project. The pricing you have as part of the special bid is therefore easily accessible from the Catalogue section of the platform. When you click on the price comparison feature on a special bid product, you will be able to see the supported pricing which is unique to you and your organisation. This special bid pricing will show in a separate line to the standard price comparison. Just like the items in a catalogue, you can easily add the items you have on special bid pricing to your basket from this area of the platform. If you are part of a public sector organisation, you will also be eligible for sector-specific discounting. You can access this by clicking on Pre-approved vendor discounts. Each manufacturer will have different products eligible for public sector discounting, and these are updated every month. Select your chosen manufacturer to see which items are eligible for public sector discounting. Select See Price Comparison to view the discounting available. As you can see, the specific sector discounting, in this case for education, appears in a separate section to the standard price comparison. If you have any queries regarding pricing, please reach out to your account manager.